What is a good 50 euro mic for YouTubers? Does that even exist? Yay guys! My name is Priscilla Elias and I hope you're doing fine. I know how hard it is to start out a YouTube channel. Everything costs money and in the beginning you don't get a penny out of it. Still, if you want to see your channel grow, at some point you will need to invest in your channel, starting with the equipment you use to record your videos. Today we're talking about mics. There are two microphones I usually use for my videos. One is the Rode VideoMic Pro and the other one is the Rode Lav along with the wireless Rode Go. The VideoMic Pro can be found for around 160 euros and the combo Rode Lav plus Rode Go can be found for around 230 euros. I know not everybody has that kind of budget to start out, and by the end of last year I received a smaller and much cheaper Shure mic from Vitopop that can be found on Amazon for around 50 to 60 euros. And I decided to test it out and compare it to the equipment I already had. Would that be a good 50 euro mic for YouTubers? Let's test it out. Is there a good 50 euro mic for YouTubers? This is the VM-i2 video kit from Vitopop. It is a compact shotgun cardioid mic that can be connected either to your smartphone or to your camera, and in fact, it comes with both cables for that already. It also comes with a mini tripod and the adapter you can use to settle the microphone with your camera or with your phone. It comes with an external windshield and a very nice hard case for you to carry this kit all around. Today we will test it out and see how it sounds. I gotta be honest, when I first listened to the audio from this VM-i2 isolated without comparing it to the VideoMic Pro, I didn't notice much of a difference. I was pretty impressed. The audio from this mic is very decent and I really consider this to be a good option if you're on a budget and if you're looking for something really portable. But what I think does not matter because we're talking about your channel and the money you're going to spend in your equipment. So, want to check it out for yourself? Let's go! I'm recording this audio with the microphone set as a boom mic right over my head with no background noise. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set as a boom mic right over my head with the TV on as a background noise. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with no background noise. The mic is about 3 meters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with the TV on as a background noise. The mic is about 3 meters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with no background noise. The mic is about 60 to 70 centimeters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with the TV on as a background noise. The mic is about 60 to 70 centimeters away from me. Maybe you've gotten to your own conclusions, but if you'd like to know my opinion, the only thing I did not like much at first was that I felt like it didn't do much of a good job when isolating my voice from the background noise. But it is important to say that the volume for that background noise was pretty loud, and come on, we're talking about a 50 euro tiny mic. Of course, if you have some more money to spend and want to invest in a more expensive mic, once you compare the audio from one mic to the other and listen to them one after the other, you will realize some pretty clear differences. I recorded the exact same audio with the VideoMic Pro in the exact same place, distance and conditions that I used to record the VM-i2 audio, so you would be able to compare them also. Check it out for yourself and see if you can notice any difference. Oh, but before I play both audios, if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. You will help me a whole lot by doing that, and you will sure help me to keep this channel going. So here we go with the audio comparison to both mics. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set as a boom mic right over my head with no background noise. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set as a boom mic right over my head with no background noise. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set as a boom mic right over my head with the TV on as a background noise. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set as a boom mic right over my head with the TV on as a background noise. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with no background noise. The mic is about 3 meters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with no background noise. The mic is about 3 meters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with the TV on as a background noise. The mic is about 3 meters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with the TV on as a background noise. The mic is about 3 meters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with no background noise. The mic is about 60 to 70 centimeters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with no background noise. The mic is about 60 to 70 centimeters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with the TV on as a background noise. The mic is about 60 to 70 centimeters away from me. I'm recording this audio with the microphone set over my camera with the TV on as a background noise. The mic is about 60 to 70 centimeters away from me. So, to me, the 160 Euro Rode VideoMic Pro does a better job in isolating the voice from the external noises and also in killing some of the room reflection. Besides, it also has some more punch to the sound than the VMI2. But then hey, we're talking about a mic that costs almost 3 times the value of the VMI2. And not only that, we're talking about a bigger mic than the VMI2. So is the VMI2 a good 50 Euro mic for YouTubers? If you're starting out and you're on a budget, I think it is definitely a very decent mic. I would be careful with external noises and I would definitely use it as a boom mic to get the best out of it though. Also, if your room is a reflective room like mine, I would try to kill some of the noise reflection of the room by placing some blankets around, and as you can see, you will get a very decent sound. Even though the Rode VideoMic Pro will still be my main mic, I will definitely keep the VMI2 to use it with my second camera with my phone and to use it in situations where I don't want to take anything big with me. This mic is so small that it is a great mic to carry all around. Now, you will find other cheap mics that can compete with the VMI2, such as the Rode VideoMic Pro, for example. It has a similar size to this mic, but I do not own it and I have not tested it. So I cannot tell you if it is better or worse than the VMI2. What I can tell you is I tested the VMI2 out and you check the audio test I did yourself. I will leave a link for both the VMI2 and the VideoMic Pro down here in the description. Better than that, I will leave a link for the Rode Lav and the Rode Wireless Go also, and then you can check all of them out and decide which one fits your needs best. I did not talk about how I use the Rode Lav and the Wireless Go here because it is not a shotgun mic combo, and even though it sounds great, the mic showing over my shirt is something that bothers me a little, and when I hide it, depending on the movement I make, it ends up making some noise, so I choose to go with the VideoMic Pro for most of my YouTube head talk videos like this one you're watching right now. So, do you like how the VMI2 sounds? Do you think it could be good enough for you? Do you feel like it can do the job? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you've tested out this mic and also tested out other mics at a similar price range, which one do you like better? I would love to know what equipment you use, why you use it, and how you like it. I'm sure many of you have some nice thoughts to add to this review, and you are absolutely welcome to share your experiences down here so that more people can benefit from them. I hope this video helped you. Thanks so much for watching me, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!